Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time I've been putting videos in my YouTube channel. From now on I'll be sharing videos very frequently, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will be receiving notifications whenever I'm posting a video on my YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to see about the concept called support and resistance. So what do you mean by support and what do you mean by resistance, and how exactly we can use this concept to buy or to sell any stock or any options in stock market? Okay, let's get into the concept. It's very simple and it's a very powerful tool. I mean, whenever you are going to learn about this technical analysis, this support and resistance is the very basic tool and very basic concept which have to be known by even a trader or an investor. So this is a very basic tool, and even if you are studying any advanced technical analysis courses, then also the support and resistance will come into picture, and this will help you understand when exactly there will be a bounce back and when exactly there will be a downfall from any point of time in a stock. Okay, and then this also helps you to identify the price action trading, means how much will be the target and how much will be the where you have to keep the stop loss. So these kind of things you can easily learn from the support and resistance. So in this is a normal chart in a support and resistance. If you can able to see, so this line which acts as a support, this is called a support. So in this support, whenever the stock comes to a support line, it means there is a demand. I mean, demand is increasing and supply is decreasing. So whenever there is a demand, people will come and they will be buying the stock so that this particular stock will go up, and whenever the particular stock hits the resistance, so that particular stock becomes the supply is more and the demand is lesser, and the particular stock will come down. So this is how support and resistance will will be there in the market. So this particular stock will keep on traversing in this limited channel, and whenever this particular resistance is broken, so that it will go up, the stock will go up, and then it will hit another resistance on top, and that old resistance line will act as a support. And same way, whenever this particular line breaches this support and comes down, then this new line, whichever is the support, becomes the resistance, and then the new support will be taken in the future of the stock. So I'll be giving you a lot of examples, so from that example you can be able to understand very easily. So that support and resistance will not be there only in the sideways. I mean, support and resistance can also occur in channel. So if you see, I mean, this is the resistance for the stock and it came down, this is the support, and once this support is breached, old support turned into new resistance. So the support line which was acting as a support earlier will be turning it as a new resistance. That is what I told. So whenever this particular resistance is breached, this resistance line will turn as a support. So here if you see, the old support is turning as a resistance, and once this resistance and this support breaks, again the support is turning as a resistance. So this is a very simple concept, guys. It's very powerful, and I'll be sharing you a lot of examples in this video. So I'll show you how exactly this is working. So let's say if a stock is going this way, like this way, and then this is called as your resistance, this is called as your resistance, so this is called as your support. So whenever this particular line is breached and it is coming down, so it will again take a support somewhere. So this is your new support, and the old support, this old support will be acting as a resistance now. So that is what I'm telling. Same way, let's say if this particular stock has breached and went above, so this resistance will be turning into a support. So this line will be turning into a support, and then there will be another resistance will be formed on the top. This is your new resistance and this is your new support, and new support is nothing but your old resistance. So this is what we have studied here. See, this resistance turning as a support, and here this support turning as a resistance. So I will be showing you a lot of examples so you can easily understand how exactly the support resistance are working. So for example, if you see, I am taking this looping chart. This is nothing but investing.com. So let's say if you are just analyzing this looping chart, you can very easily see how exactly this particular stock has taken support or taken resistance. See exactly the resistance here. So when that particular stock hits here and it is taking a resistance there. Same way, if you see, there is a proper support which is there at this point of time. See this year is 2012 and this year is actually 2020. So after 8 years this particular stock has given a breakout. And see here what exactly I was telling, this particular resistance will be turning into support here. This is what has happened exactly. I mean, if you see a daily chart, see, this is your daily chart. Okay, so this is your daily chart, and see, let's say this is your resistance here, this is your new resistance. Okay, so this is your resistance, exactly this is your resistance. Okay, here the stock cannot able to breach, and here also the stock cannot able to breach, here the stock cannot able to breach, here also the stock cannot able to breach. So this is called your resistance, and let's say we can draw a support here. So once that line breaches, you can able to see the confirmation, the volume will be very high. See, you will not see any candle like this. So after that it has hit the target. So how to identify the target? So that also have a I have a very unique this thing. I have very unique concept. It's a box breakout. See, this is your box, exactly this particular stock is traveling in this thing. So if you want to find the target till where this particular stock will go, see exactly. See, if you just clone it and put it up, exactly it will hit your target. See, after a breach, it does hit your target. So this is how you need to find your support and resistance, and this is very easy actually. You can able to identify where exactly the support is there, when exactly it is breaching, and the breaching of this line can be seen from this volume candle, and then the target is also easily identifiable. If you want, I will show you another example, which is SBI, and I mean this will work not only in for traders, this will work even for investors. See, this is just State Bank of India. So you see, let's see the State Bank of India example. See horizontal line. See, I'm seeing. See, suppose see how many times it has breached. See, so here in 2013 it has taken a support and it went till here. And then again in 2016 it has taken a support went till here. And you remember in my channel I was telling that this particular SBI will come till 148, and then you can buy, it will go till 350. So exactly it has went. So it has taken a support, it went up. See here also, if you see, low is 145, you can see here low is 145. Here also if you see, low is 148. Here also if you see, low is 149. So this is how you need to find a support and resistance. See, this support and resistance is very easy, and it is very effective. And if you want to see another example, I'll show you another example. I have informed my subscribers to buy Tata Steel. So if you see here, see here, this is 2001. So from 2001, see how exactly it is taking support. See, it has came in 2008, it went up. Again it came 2013, it went up from 170 to 500. It's almost 3 times. And from again 200 to 700, again 3 times. And from now 270 to 1300, it is almost 5 times in how much time frame? So in almost 1.5 years it has taken this particular thing. So it is very easy. I mean, trading in support and resistance is actually very easy. So even if you want, I can this will work for intraday also. I mean, this is for investors point of view. I mean, if you want to see intraday, let's say, see here, See, this is your support. Sorry, this is your resistance. I mean, if you want to trade in intraday, this is your resistance exactly. And once this resistance is breached, see, this is your support. If you want to draw a support here, this is your support. See, and once this particular resistance line is breached, here it's acting as a resistance. Here it is acting as once it is breached, it will go up. So how to find the target? This also I told you. So this particular stock is keep on traversing in this particular triangle or rectangle. So once you know this and put here, this is your target. Exactly, it will meet your target. So it is very easy to find the support and resistance, guys. So I mean, just try to identify a pattern, and then it will work everywhere. See, if you want to see another example, I'll show you another example. Again, see, if you want to see a channel here, so this is traversing in a channel. So once this particular channel breaches on either side, so that will come up. It is nothing but a support resistance. So this is your support, this is your resistance. So it's not like the support resistance will come only in horizontal. It can come in this way also. That is what we are seeing in Bajaj Finance. So it is very easy, guys. So try to learn, and then support resistance is very easy. And if you want to know more about my services, I am also giving intraday calls, and my accuracy is more than 80 to 90%. So if you want to know about my calls, you can WhatsApp me. I am giving my WhatsApp number in the details video description. And I also have a free Demat account opening with Angel and Alice Blue. So if you want to open a free Demat account, and if you want to go get me free calls, I mean, I used to give free calls also. If you want to get me free calls, you can open an account under my referral, and then you will get me free calls. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Thank you.